Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a drop shadow in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the select pen tool from the toolbar and create a path around the curve. After paths complete, right click, make a selection. Feather radius 0.5. Go to the layer menu, click on the new to layer by copy. Click on the adjust icon, make a solid color white. Click on the FX icon, select drop shadow. Follow the process. Right click, drop shadow layer and create that layer. Select erase tool, follow the process. And remove the extra shadow. Now we make a drop shadow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.